Hi, I just wanted to make this video real quick. I got some hiccups, and I think that I've got some of the worst hiccups, at least in contention, at least being the loudest. So I just wanted to take a sample of what they sound like. They seem to be happening every third or fourth breath. So let me just sit here and count my breaths here for a second. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. I guess it's every 2 breaths here. Okay. One more here. 1. 1. 2, 3. Anyway, those are my hiccups. If somebody has worse hiccups than that, I would like to hear them. Okay, bye.